English, you a friend or a parent. Oh, brother.
Container.
Gawa po tayo ng Oreo fudge. Ito yung powder ng Oreo fudge. Ayan. Halo natin ito yung Oreos. Yun yung Oreos. Mga idol. Kailangan din natin ng 3 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3. 1/3 na oil. Ayan. 1/3 cup na oil. Oil dito. Ayan. Ang oil. Isang egg. Ayan. Ayun na. Ready na siya.
There's always this buckle when you're going up. Well, this is gonna be when we crash, it's gonna be slow now. Okay, so we go like this. Like a pilot. Go. Alright, time to take off. It looks like the head control was up there. Yeah. Like a bell. Look, it's literally almost like a bell.
Ayan na. Luto ng ating Oreos brownie fudge.